Today we are going to study lecture number 6, linkage. What is linkage? How this linkage takes place? How linkage occurs in the chromosome when a new individual is formed? How the characters or heredity units are transferred from one generation to another generation. So any diploid species, any organism, diploid organism, plant or animal, they have two sets of chromosomes. One set of chromosome is identical to the other set of chromosome. Means each chromosome from one set will have a duplicate copy carrying the same characters in the other set of chromosomes. So each chromosome of one set will have a duplicate copy in the other set of chromosomes. So these are called as homologous chromosomes. One chromosome from one set is having a duplicate copy of chromosome in the other set, and they are carrying the genes or alleles for the same characters, and these alleles are present at same locus on both the character. So a gene or alleles for same character are present at same locus on both the homologous chromosomes. So allele regarding allele regarding height, character height is present at same locus on both the chromosomes. So one allele may be dominant for tall height and another may be recessive allele for dwarf height, or both the alleles may be for tall, or both the alleles may be for dwarf height, means both the alleles may be recessive. So there are many alleles on the chromosome for different characters, and while they are inheriting in next generation, first in meiosis cell division gametes are formed, male gamete and female gamete, and when male and female gamete will unite with each other, then a next individual of next generation is formed. So in meiosis cell division, some part of this homologous chromosome, some part of the chromatid of this homologous chromosome may get exchanged, and some alleles of these homologous chromosomes are exchanged with each other, and the formation of gametes will have different kinds of alleles. So gametes which are formed will have different types of allele if crossing over takes place. Means if a part of chromatid is exchanged between homologous chromosomes. If during meiosis cell division, if no part of the homologous chromosome is exchanged, then gametes which are formed are identical, will have identical character of the mother cell. Means gametes, there is no change in the characters of gametes if crossing over does not take place. If crossing over takes place, some of the alleles of the character of some character may be exchanged between the homologous chromosome. So gametes which are formed will have different characters. And another alleles for different character may remain in same chromosome. The alleles for different characters may remain in same chromosome after meiosis cell division also, after crossing over takes place. Many of the alleles may remain in the same chromosome. These are responsible for different characters. So alleles which are responsible for different characters and they remain in same chromosome after meiosis cell division also. They remain in same chromosome. This tendency of remaining in the same chromosome after meiosis cell division, it is called as linkage. Means these alleles will not go in different chromosomes. The tendency of two or more alleles to remain in a same chromosome during inheritance is called as linkage. वेगवेगळ्या गुणधर्माच्या वेगवेगळ्या alleles त्याच क्रोमोझोम मध्ये राहण्याच्या क्रियेला meiosis cell division मध्ये पुढच्या पिढीमध्ये जाताना त्याच क्रोमोझोम मध्ये राहण्याच्या क्रियेला लिंकेज म्हणायचं. म्हणजे सगळ्याच alleles वेगवेगळ्या क्रोमोझोम मध्ये जात नाहीत, तर जेवढ्या alleles त्याच क्रोमोझोम मध्ये राहून पुढच्या पिढीमध्ये जातात त्याला लिंकेज म्हणायचं. आणि हे लिंकेज जवळजवळ 80-90% कितीही प्रमाणात असू शकते. लिंकेज हे 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 95% कितीही प्रमाण असू शकते. म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त alleles त्याच क्रोमोझोम मध्ये राहिल्या वेगवेगळ्या गुणधर्माच्या जास्तीत जास्त alleles एकत्रितरित्या एका पिढीमधून दुसऱ्या पिढीमध्ये जातात त्याला लिंकेज म्हणायचं. So definition of linkage: the tendency of two or more alleles to remain in same chromosome during inheritance is called as linkage. Inheritance म्हणजे एका पिढीमधून दुसऱ्या पिढीमध्ये जाण्याच्या क्रियेला इनहेरिटन्स म्हणायचं. तर हे इनहेरिटन्स होत असताना त्याच क्रोमोझोम मध्ये सर्व गुणधर्माच्या alleles एकत्रितरित्या राहतात त्याला लिंकेज म्हणायचं. तर आता कलर ऑफ स्किन, सी कलर, O, S, these are different alleles. Height, tall, dark. So alleles on same chromosome will go together in next generation. So a process or tendency of two or more alleles to remain in same chromosome during inheritance is called as linkage. So during linkage, all the alleles of different characters present on chromosome, some alleles may be dominant, some alleles may be recessive, and they inherit together in next generation. It is called as linkage. So linkage, during linkage, alleles remain in same chromosome some of the alleles present on chromosome are dominant, some of the alleles are recessive. There may be dominant allele, recessive allele, or some dominant and some recessive alleles, and they move together from one generation to another generation. Among these all alleles of different characters, some alleles of some character may be undesirable, म्हणजे आपल्याला आवडणाऱ्या गुणधर्माच्या पण alleles त्या क्रोमोझोम मध्ये असू शकतात. आपल्याला उपयोगात असणाऱ्या गुणधर्माचं पण alleles असू शकतात आणि आपल्याला उपयोग नसणाऱ्या किंवा आपल्याला नको असलेल्या गुणधर्माच्या पण alleles क्रोमोझोम मध्ये असू शकतात आणि त्या एका पिढीमधून दुसऱ्या पिढीमध्ये एकत्रितरित्या जातात. म्हणजे alleles आवडणाऱ्या गुणधर्माच्या असतील किंवा न आवडणाऱ्या गुणधर्माच्या असतील, त्या एकत्रितरित्या पुढच्या पिढीमध्ये जातात. So alleles may be undesirable character and alleles may be for desirable characters. Alleles may be dominant, alleles may be recessive. They inherit together from one generation to another generation. While going in next generation, these alleles go together. Some part or some alleles, chromatid part and alleles may be exchanged also. So these alleles will not go together with another alleles. So some part may be exchanged during formation of gametes or during meiosis cell division. But the number of alleles which will go together, it is called as linkage. Linkage depends on how near the allele of different characters are near the centromere of the chromosome. This center part where two chromatids are attached is called as centromere. So alleles for characters which are near the centromere will go together because they have attraction between centromere. They are having binding between centromere and alleles. So alleles near the centromere will have linkage, more linkage. It will have. They will go together from one generation to another. Then linkage will depend upon the distance between the two alleles. How near the alleles are arranged on the chromatid. When distance between two alleles is less, then linkage will be more. And when distance between allele is more, then crossing over may takes place. Means their linkage will not be there. That part of the chromatid may get exchanged with homologous chromosome, and these alleles which are at greater distance may not go together with other alleles. So lesser the distance, more will be the linkage. When distance between the alleles is more, then linkage will be less. So linkage depends upon the distance of allele from the centromere, and it will also depend upon the distance between the two alleles. If distance is less, linkage will be more, and when distance is more, then linkage will be less. So, how many pairs of homologous chromosomes are there in individual? So, each homologous pair of chromosome will have one linkage group, because alleles regarding same character are present on both the chromosomes. So, it will have one linkage group. This homologous pair of chromosome will have one linkage group. How many homologous pairs are there in individual? That many linkage groups are present in the body of individual or in the cell of individual. Means human being have 46 chromosomes. Means there are 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes. So number of linkage group will be 23. Means linkage groups are equal to the haploid number of species. Haploid chromosome number of species. Linkage group is equal to the haploid number of chromosomes of individual. Means human being will have 23 linkage groups. So what is meaning of linkage group? Means each homologous pair of chromosome will have one linkage group. Means a group of alleles for different character in same chromosome will have tendency to go together from or tendency to remain in same chromosome during inheritance. एका पिढीमधून दुसऱ्या पिढीमध्ये जात असताना त्याच क्रोमोझोम मध्ये एकत्रितरित्या राहण्याची जी सवय आहे त्याला लिंकेज म्हणायचं. Then phases of linkage, there is a coupling phase and repulsion phase. There are two phases of linkage, coupling phase and repulsion phase. Coupling phase means in this phase dominant or recessive alleles present on same chromosome will go together in next generation. Means linkage is between dominant alleles or recessive. Means only alleles for different characters are dominant or alleles are recessive. It is called as coupling phase. When a linkage is between dominant allele and recessive allele in a single chromosome, then it is called as repulsion phase. Means dominant and recessive allele will have linkage and they will go from one generation to another generation. Coupling phase means dominant allele for one character will go with dominant allele for other character in a single chromosome. They will go in next generation. It is called as coupling phase. Then there are different types of linkage. Linkage types are based on how much linkage takes place, how much quantity of linkage takes place. So based on the quantity of linkage, when all the alleles for different character present in a single chromosome will go in next generation, then it is complete linkage. Means all total, there is no crossing over, all total allele of single chromosome will go as it is without crossing over in next generation. It is called as complete linkage. Then next is incomplete linkage, means some of the alleles of character will not go in next generation. Then linkage is incomplete, means some alleles will not go in next generation. It is incomplete linkage. Then second type of classification of linkage is according to genes. Coupling linkage and repulsion linkage, means dominant or recessive alleles will go in next generation. It is coupling linkage. Then one dominant and another recessive allele will from same chromosome will go in next generation. It is called as repulsion linkage. So first type is according to the quantity of linkage. Classification according to quantity of linkage. Complete linkage, incomplete linkage. Then classification according to the genes involved. So dominant genes or dominant alleles, it is called as coupling linkage. Recessive alleles, it is also called as coupling linkage. But when one dominant and one recessive allele will go together, then it is called as repulsion linkage. Then third classification is according to the chromosomes involved in the linkage. So in each and every organism there is a one pair of homologous chromosome which is called as sex chromosome. If linkage takes place in sex chromosome, then it is called as X chromosomal linkage. And other all pairs of homologous chromosomes other than sex chromosome, when linkage takes place in that chromosome, it is called as autosomal linkage. Means all homologous pairs of chromosomes are autosomal chromosomes, and one pair of homologous chromosome is sex chromosome. Homologous chromosome, sex for sex character. Then it is called as X chromosomal linkage. And last point is linkage groups. Means there are many pairs of homologous chromosomes. So number of homologous chromosome, number of homologous chromosome is equal to the number of linkage groups. Means linkage group, number of linkage groups is equal to the haploid number of species, haploid chromosome number of species.